Hi, this is the unboxing of TP-Link PA7017P Kit Gigabit Port Powerline Ethernet Adapter. If you need to extend your Ethernet connection through existing electrical wiring with the TP-Link Home Plug AV2 Powerline Adapter Kit, PA7017P, this device is ideal for multi-story homes, basements, attics, and garages. It delivers AV1000 powerline speeds for wired connectivity to devices like desktops, smart TVs, and game consoles. The product dimensions are 2.3 x 1.7 x 3.7 inches, featuring a gigabit port, plug, pair, and play setup, and power-saving mode. It ensures a secure, reliable connection. The integrated power socket offers added convenience. Note: adapters must be on the same electrical circuit, and speeds may vary depending on wiring quality. Please note that there is no Wi-Fi support, is strictly Powerline Ethernet. I've been aware of these types of adapters for some time, but have never used them. I needed to purchase a set to provide an internet connection for one of my computers that is downstairs, 3 floors down, not near my modem, and required an Ethernet connection because it doesn't have Wi-Fi capabilities. So, I ordered these TP-Link adapters, and had them connected and working with no problems within a few minutes of opening them. Very easy setup with clear instructions provided in the printed documentation included in the box, or using the digital documentation provided on the support site. I also downloaded the management utility from the support site, which is handy for checking the adapter's status, changing some device settings, and checking and updating the firmware. Now I have internet connection at the basement, 3 floors down my router. Very pleased. Hope you liked this video. Have a nice day.
Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. More than 1,200 Apple product related videos. Thank you for viewing, subscribing, sharing and liking.